Hi viewers, today I'll be sharing the recipe of Italian white sauce pasta. Let's get started. To cook the macaroni, boil 2 cups of water, add 1 tablespoon oil and half tablespoon salt. Add 1 cup macaroni. I have chosen elbow shaped macaroni. Cook it on low flame for 5 minutes. Turn off the flame when it is 80% cooked. Drain the water from the macaroni and rinse with cold water. To season the macaroni, take a pan and add 3 tablespoons salted butter. You can also use unsalted butter. Add half cup sliced onions and 1/4 cup chopped capsicum. Add the cooked macaroni and mix well. Add 2 tablespoons Italian seasoning or mixed herbs and 1 tablespoon chilli flakes. Mix well. The macaroni is seasoned. Now let's make the white sauce. Take a pan and add 5 tablespoons salted butter. For 5 tablespoons salted butter, add 2 tablespoons Maida. Add gradually and mix well. Add half cup milk and stir occasionally. The sauce starts to thicken. Add 1 tablespoon oregano and mix well. To make the sauce much tastier, add 2 slices of cheese. You can also skip it. Mix until the cheese melts. Add the macaroni into the sauce and mix until well coated. Also check out my other pasta recipes, link in description. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more simple recipes, subscribe to Delicious Foods. Thanks for watching. Bye.